Imagine riding a bike. Low gears for uphill, high gears for flat roads.
So a bitrate ladder is like those gears? The player shifts between video qualities depending on the network?
Exactly. From 240p all the way to 1080p. Smooth playback depends on having the right rungs in that ladder.
What happens if the ladder only has a couple of steps?
Every switch feels like a big jump, very noticeable.
And if it has too many?
Then you waste storage and encoding time. The art is choosing a handful of sensible steps, just enough to adapt smoothly.
Here's a proven starter ladder for H.264. 240p at 300 kilobits per second, 360p at 550, 480p at 900, 720p at 2 megabits, and 1080p at 4 megabits. Audio stays at 128 kilobits per second.
I see each step is about 1.3 times bigger in resolution and roughly 1.6 times in bitrate.
Yes, that spacing lets the player switch without shocks, and we always leave about 20 to 30% bandwidth headroom to avoid stalls.
Can we see the ladder in action?
Sure. Hit play, then throttle the network.
And the player should immediately react, right?
Exactly. As bandwidth tightens, watch it step down from 1080p to 720p, or even 480p.
And the bitrate numbers in DevTools should line up with each rung?
Yes, when you see those shifts in the network panel and in your metrics overlay, you know the ABR logic is choosing the ladder correctly.
Now, design your own ladder. Pick the maximum resolution your audience really needs.
If most users are on mobile, maybe cap it at 720p.
Right. But if you're streaming sports, you might add a 900p rung at 3 megabits per second for smoother motion. The key is being able to explain why each rung exists.
So 5 video rungs plus audio makes a good default.
Yes, space them for smooth switches, not for bragging rights. Later, you can refine with per-title encoding, which adapts ladders to each video's complexity.